Okay, so let's start this again. I'm going to find my min. Oop, I wrote two i's in min, and then my max. Is it 1630, 1610? And my maximum is 1704, I believe. So remember, we only have one digit. So I got 161 to 170. So 161, 162, 163, 164, 65, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. Okay, so I got 610. I'm going to cross this out. Okay, I'm going to turn this off because it's going to take me a while. Okay, I think I got everybody. It took me a while. So let's describe this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is when I draw this. Okay, so I'm going to say my center is 164. That kind of looks right. Okay, center. And what are these? They're sales. And there's the amount of tax paid. So it's the amount of tax. So it's $1,634,000. Okay, so I have gaps and the 1620s, 1640s, 1670s. Okay, it's skewed to the right. And my range is 1704 minus 1610, which is $494. Okay. Okay, let's do the next problem on cumulative frequency. So remember, we add as we go. So we got 7. We have 43. Remember? 45 is going to be 88. And I add 12. That gives me 100. So relative frequency is going to be 7 divided by 100, which is 0.07. 36 divided by 100 is 0.36. 45 divided by is 0.45. And 12 divided by 100 is 0.12. You could have said 7%, 36%. Okay, relative cumulative frequency. So I'm going to take this guy, or I'm going to add as I go. So I get 0.07. Add as I go, I get 0.43, 0.88, 100%. What proportions are less than 55? Deal. So here is 55. They want to know what proportions are less than. So if I go over to here, that's what, 88%. What proportion has a strength greater than 500? So that's going to be these two. So I add these two. 45 plus 12 is 67%. Okay, let's do number 13. Up. Determine that it's skewed right, or what's the shape here? Okay, so let's go do this. If I was 4, 5 to 9, see how it's taller at 9 and low at 4? It would be this way. So this is skewed to the left. See why I like to say lower numbers? It's a lot easier. Okay, let's do B. Now there's two sides to this. I got this. And so this here is symmetric. This here is skewed to the lower number. So again, I got to do 49, 44. Here's high, so this is skewed to the left. Okay, hopefully this is making sense to you. Okay, let's do this Denleaf plot. This segmented bar chart. You guys have already done this with the blood pressure, all right? And do you see here there's only 2 bars and it really should be 3? So let's make this 100%. Let's make this 50%. You'll have graph paper. So here's 1 bar. Here's another bar, and here's a 3rd bar. Let's just do it this way. And we'll make this one, what, less than 30? We'll make this between 30 and 49. And this would be 50 plus. Okay, so let me do the math here. Less than 30 here. So low is going to be 27 divided by 95. And then I'm going to have 37 divided by 95. And then 31 divided by 95. Let me go do the math and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so low is going to be 28. So I'm just going to put this low here. Now it's between low for the next guy. For 30 to 39 is going to be 39, so I'm just going to put that right here. And for the next one is 32. Okay? Okay, I'm going to do all the normal. Okay, so I did all the normals, and I got 21. But where do I end? You see, 21 plus 28 is 49. So that's going to be right about here. If I add 39 and 39, I get 78. And if I add these two together, 32 and 40, I get 72. Okay? And then these are all highs. And I'm going to call it blood pressure. Oops. Okay, that's horrible. I'm sorry. I ran out of room. Okay, now I will be available for tutoring in the morning if you have any questions.